Sichuan Huayin Intelligent Manufacturing New Materials Technology Company Limited was established in 2014. It's a national high-tech enterprise headquartered in Deyang, Sichuan Province, with a production bases in Deyang and Ningxiang, Hunan. With over a decade of expertise in high-end metal alloy powders and 3D printing materials, Huayin leverages technical support from the National Optoelectronics Laboratory of Huazhong University of Science and Technology and the Powder Metallurgy team of Central South University. The company has independently developed 2 leading national vacuum atomization air cooling systems, 4 non-vacuum atomization systems, and 2 water atomization systems. Our core strengths are customization and innovation. Utilizes advanced technologies to tailor powder materials for diverse industry needs, offering professional solutions and value-added technical services. Additive manufacturing is recognized as one of the 12 disruptive technologies shaping the future economy. Metal additive manufacturing is expanding from components to entire systems, covering high-end sectors, aerospace such as aircraft, missiles, satellites, spacecraft, engines, drones, microsatellites, mid-range industries, petroleum, chemicals, power, coal, steel, shipping, and machinery. Huayin focuses on developing materials for wear resistance, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and impact resistance, producing alternatives to international brands to meet global customer demands. Our production excellence adheres to high purity, low color difference raw material standards, with strict control over the entire production process, monitoring key powder properties as flowability, oxygen content, sphericity, formability to ensure uniformity and batch stability. Our production capacity is 5,000 tons of high-performance alloy powders annually, delivering superior, stable quality trusted by customers. Global vision and commitment. With a professional sales team, Huayin serves clients across Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Japan, South Korea, and the Middle East, committed to innovation, quality, and service. The company aims to lead in high-end metal powder production and promote China's additive manufacturing technologies worldwide. Future Global. Huayin is dedicated to building a comprehensive platform for additive manufacturing materials, applications, and evaluation, driving the global adoption of high-quality powders and contributing to the advancement of strategic industries.